Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about how to open Wells Fargo account. For that, you need to go to your favorite search engine, whatever you like. For myself, I'm using Safari, where you need to search for Wells Fargo account. After that, click on online banking option. That link will direct you to the Wells Fargo official page. Once you see personal option on top left corner, click on it. This will take you to the dashboard containing checking, saving, home loans and many more. From here, you can choose what kind of account you want to create. For now, I'm going to select checking account for myself, so I'm going to click on it. You will see all type of checking accounts you might be interested to create. I'm going to select student and banking option and teen banking option for myself. Once I click on this, I'm taken to this page over here. Now scroll a bit down to see which type of plan that I want. I'm going to choose clear access banking for myself. For that, click on open now. Again, scroll a bit down and choose the type of account you want. For now, I'm going to choose individual one. For the next question, I'm going to choose no because I never had a Fargo account before. And now click on continue over there. This is going to take a few minutes, please bear with us. Till then, this will direct me to the next page where I'll be needing to input all the necessary information, a very basic information like your name, your surname, your taxpayer ID, etc. and phone numbers, date of birth, all the basic information that you might require to open a normal bank account. Keep all the necessary information over here without any mistake. That is very important. Once you're done with that, you can click on continue. After that, it's gonna ask you what type of option you want to choose. Then it's gonna review your form. Then it's gonna ask you to agree on terms and conditions provided. And finally ask you to fund your bank account because you can't open the account with $0. So this is how your Wells Fargo account is created. That's the end of it. If you'll find our video helpful, please hit like and subscribe button on the channel. We'll see you next time with some amazing tutorial videos. Till then, bye bye.